Working all day, but he ain't surprised. Yeah, working for the money, going overtime.
Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and for this video I'm gonna show you guys the Cydia alternative where basically you can use it to download a jailbreak. So you can use it to download Cydia or to download paid apps, free in-app purchases, game emulators, all those things, and I will show you guys how to get it. So right here it's called iCraze, and it has all those things I just said, and as you can see, this is how it's set up. It's separated between the different sections, and just to show you the few of them: hack games, jailbreaks. And I used it to actually download this, which is Spotify Plus, which as you can see I have unlimited skips, no ads, and it's like Spotify. I can sign up for free, make an account if you don't have an account, so you can use this to get Spotify Plus, and I'll basically show you guys how you can get it. So first thing, I'm gonna delete it, start from scratch. I'm gonna have this link in the description. You click on it and it's gonna take you here, and you can either download the light version or the dark mode version, which I'm gonna do the dark mode because I like to be different. So basically it's gonna ask for your passcode. You just type it in, install it, and then once it's done you'll be able to open it. So go back and then you just open it. It's called iCraze, and then look, it looks exactly like how I just showed you. And from here you could basically download anything you want. So this is the hack game sections. It only has a few, but it has so much other things that there's other things you can use if you want just hack games. But these are all the jailbreaks. So if you're on 11.1 or 11.3, you can download the jailbreak that I'm on right now and get a lecture right now. And then also it has let's see, it also has free apps, free games. And then this is the section that I got the Spotify Plus from. So if you want that, or YouTube Plus, you can download tweaked apps. So this is a pretty good alternative, and I know a lot of people don't really know about it, but I'm gonna just show an example. I'm gonna go ahead and download the Escapist. So you just click on whatever you want. It's gonna say install. You click install, and just to show you, let me go to the App Store. I'm showing you this isn't a trick or something, no crazy editing. Look, Escapist right here. It costs $4.99, and no, I do not own it. I did not buy it, but it's downloading right now. So let's go ahead and let it download. Alright, now once it's done, if you click on any app that you download, you're most likely going to get that, which you're just going to go to your settings, general, profile, and device management, and then you're going to click on whichever one it's under, which this one is under this one for me. So you just click trust, and then that's pretty much it. So now you should be able to open it. So I'm gonna open it just to show you guys it's not gonna kick me out, skip the ad. And as you can see, this is the full game. It's doing these loading screens, and that's pretty much it. So yo, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see, guys. If you want to see some jailbreak videos, tweaks, just tell me and I will go ahead and do it. But that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.